So let's just talk about null pointer. So the null pointer is a pointer that does not point to any valid memory location. So we can create one pointer like integer pointer ptr. While declaring the pointer, we can assign it the value null. So this is our null pointer which is pointing to null. So the null pointer is basically used to signify that the pointer currently does not holding a valid address. Like an example, we can create one integer pointer ptr. Now we can assign the value null. So this is our null pointer which does not point to any valid memory location. So here we can check this. If the pointer is equal null, if the pointer does not pointing to any valid memory location, then we can print not pointing to any address. So you can see we have the output not pointing to any address. So this way we can create our null pointer. Now the question is, why should we use the null pointer? So first of all, whenever we declare one pointer that can contain garbage value. Now because of this garbage value, we can have so many different problems. Now intentionally assigning null to the pointer will make sure that there will not be any kind of unintended behavior. So here whenever we create that, this can contain any garbage value, but by assigning null we are making sure that the pointer does not contain any garbage value. And secondly, the null pointer can be useful in case of error handling. So whenever we try to allocate the memory using malloc or calloc, so when the system cannot allocate the requested memory, in that case the malloc will return null. Now we can check for the null and we can decide our logic. So like an example, suppose we are allocating memory using the malloc. So first of all we have to include the header stdlib. So this contains this malloc. So this malloc will try to allocate the memory and this will return one pointer. So here is our pointer. Here we can write the logic. So if the value of the pointer is equal to null, then we can print that memory allocation failed. Otherwise we can say that memory allocation successful. So this way we can check the status of the memory allocation by checking the value of this pointer if that is null or not. And also in case of dereferencing, we should use the null. So suppose we have another pointer and the pointer is pointing to null. That means the pointer not pointing to any location. Now suppose here we wanted to dereference or access the value of the pointer. We are accessing the value of this pointer. Now here we can dereference the pointer. While trying to dereference the pointer, there will be error because the pointer has the value null. Now to prevent such kind of errors, we can perform a simple check. So here we can perform the check. If the pointer 2, if that is not equal null, then only we are going to dereference the pointer. So this simple check can prevent the dereferencing error. So it is a good practice to check the value of the pointer if that is null or not before accessing the value of the pointer or dereferencing the pointer, just to be on the safe side. So there are some key facts about this null is that, so the null has a value of 0. So we can directly assign 0 to the pointer, but instead we should use null because that makes a lot of clarity. And also we have some size for the null pointer and the size varies based on the platform. So in a 32-bit system, the null pointer has the value of 4 bytes, or in a 64-bit system, the null pointer has the size of 8 bytes. So this is the way we can create null pointer. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.